guys to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your date and time on your Mac. I'm currently running Mac High Sierra version 10.13.6. Okay, let's get started. So first you're going to want to go to the little Apple logo in the left hand corner. Then we're going to want to hit System Preferences. And then we're going to want to find date and time. And then we're going to want to unlock to make any changes. I'm going to type in my password. Okay. And then here you can find your date and time. So let's say you're a day behind. You can just change it. You have to get rid of this set date and time automatically in order to change the date. So now I can just go here, and then I can change the time as well here. This is very useful if you're traveling and you need to just change your date real quick to the local time zone. Or as well, I'm going to show you guys time zone as well. You can just pick which city you're in. So I'm just going to say Poland. There you go. And then we just go back. Sorry, to date and time. And it automatically sets up to 6:48 a.m. as well, as you can see in the top hand corner. And then here you also have some clock options. You can use a 24-hour clock. You can use analog or digital. I'm going to stay with digital. And then, yeah, you have a bunch of different options here as well. I'm going to change it back to Toronto, because that is where I'm from. And then we're going to go like this. And there we go. And then it's set up automatically, and it's 12:49. Alright, thanks for watching. This is How To Tech Tips. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any requests that you want to see any other videos. Alright, thanks for watching.